18-wheeler accidents happen on the roadways literally every day in the state of Texas. And what most people don't understand is when you're faced with a scenario, a motor vehicle collision, we talk in the industry about perception reaction. How long does it take for your brain to perceive a risk or that there's a collision about to happen, and then the reaction time it takes for your brain to process that image and result in you taking some evasive maneuver, hitting the brakes, swerving your vehicle to the right or left? What a lot of people don't understand is when you're dealing with 18-wheelers, the perception reaction time is longer for an 18-wheeler driver driving a large truck than it is for a person that operates a normal passenger vehicle. Now, what does that mean? You may be asking yourself, if you perceive that there's an accident about to happen, your brain processes that something is about to happen, and then you react. You swerve your vehicle or you apply the brakes. But for the driver of a large truck, the perception reaction time is larger because of the braking systems in those trucks. So if an 18-wheeler operator perceives that there's something that's about to happen and he reacts, it literally takes a second or a second and a half additional before the brakes on an air braking system on an 18-wheeler can be applied and they engage to stop the truck. So when you've got an accident scenario involving an 18-wheeler, it's important that you consult with an attorney that understands how these trucks operate, that understands the time constraints involved in the perception, reaction, and the lag time before the brakes actually kick on these vehicles that will begin to slow the vehicle in hopes that that vehicle can avoid the accident. So if you've been involved in one of these accidents, consult with an attorney that has experience representing individuals that have been victims of large truck 18-wheeler accidents so that that attorney can investigate and determine what exactly happened, apply the appropriate testing on the braking system of that vehicle to determine if the brakes are in proper working order or if they needed repair. Because if those brakes are needing repair, it's only going to add to the perception reaction and implementation of the braking system. So perception reaction is very important in investigating and determining fault in these accidents. If you've been involved in one of these accidents, consult with an attorney that has experience representing individuals that have been involved in 18-wheeler accidents.